Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add music to shorts on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your personal computer and make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. After signing in, you will see all of your recommended videos displayed on your screen. Now, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside this menu, click on the YouTube Studio feature and a new page will load up. Here, click on the Content tab from the left side menu and then Access Shorts from the top. Now, click on the target video to which you want to add music. Once you are in the video details, click on the Editor option from the left side panel. Inside the editor, look for the Audio section. Here, you can add music from YouTube's audio library or upload your own audio file. Simply drag and drop the music track onto your video timeline. You can adjust the volume and synchronize it with your video as needed. Once you are satisfied with how it sounds, click on Save to apply the changes to your short. So that's basically how you can add music to shorts on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.